Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and welcome to another edition of Flock Tales. You know, this drink has been around since the 1930s, and it was created in Mexico, apparently. It's a simple drink, and if you've got picky tequila drinkers that want to try something different, not just that traditional lime margarita, this is something I highly recommend you give a shot. It really doesn't require much. It is going to use some bitters. Now, if you've got a decent bar going on in your home, or if you're at a bar, they probably got bitters. If you're a whiskey drinker and you don't have bitters, run out and get a bottle right now, because it's going to be hard to make a lot of the drinks that you're going to want to try without a bottle of this. You're going to need tequila, just a Blanco tequila, and you don't need a high-end tequila. I'm not going to be making mixed drinks with Hey Cuatro or Fortaleza. It's just not what they're for. So this is Cimarron tequila. You can get this at most decent liquor stores. You can find it at Total Wine, of course. It only comes in liters, and it only runs around $25 to $30 a liter. So it's really not bad tequila, but it's perfect for mixing. You're also going to need lime juice. Now, this is fresh squeezed lime juice, very simple. Just break a lime in half, stick it in this thing, and whammo, and fill this bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. I have fresh made grenadine. In fact, it's so fresh it's still a little bit warm. Grenadine is very easy to make, so don't buy that stuff, that junk that's in a bottle at the grocery store. This is just pomegranate juice, sugar, and a little bit of seasoning. I like to use rose water. Only needs a tiny bit. So I do it equal parts to start, bring it to a boil, and then add about a half again of sugar. And makes quite a bit. I have some in the back. All right, so we got a shaker with ice. We've got a glass with a big ice cube. And just because it's fun, I've got a piece of ice in the shape of a flamingo to go on top too. All right, so this is a very, very simple cocktail. You're going to do 2 ounces of your Blanco tequila into the shaker, and then 3/4 of an ounce each of lime juice and grenadine. Last but not least, we're going to add 4 shots to our Mexican firing squad of our bitters. Then, give this a good shake. Strain it over your fresh ice, and you can decorate this with a lime wheel if you like. But I like the flamingo floating in the glass. And that is a Mexican firing squad. Till next time, eat and drink fabulous. If you have something you want me to make, drop me a line. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.